This might be the most important information in regards to the stock market you've heard. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Shaking the Trees Part 2, baby. Shaking the Trees Part 2. We did a video a while back in regards to shaking the tree. And we had to do this second part because we had to cover what happened today on CCIV, Lucid Motors, prior to the merger. And if you guys follow us on Twitter at InvestingOG, then you'll know that we keep you up to date on all the latest information. Last week on Friday, we had a situation happen with CCIV as well. And I posted something on Twitter, and I just want to read that out real quick, because what happens in the stock market are usually things that are influenced by the big institutions. And let me just read this off to you really quick. CCIV calls expire 2/19. The stock falls and remains down to close. And then I say, we are on their field, folks. You just have to know how to play this game. Next week, we are giving them fire. Well, this is next week. They gave us fire. Guys, I want to tell you guys how I usually do it. And I want you guys to understand that in this market, the market that we're in right now, you guys have to be able to take profits. I know it's beautiful sometimes, and you guys are on in the clouds, and you guys say, wow, this stock is just going up, and it continues to go up, and it'll just keep going higher. Guys, let me tell you something. This whole game that we're playing here, you guys better be playing like if you're playing with the big boys, because that's exactly what's going on right now. And if you guys aren't prepared for that, then you guys are going to get just shoved and tossed around. I always take profits, guys, no matter what freaking stock it is, okay? I don't care if it's Tesla. I don't care what stock it is. These stocks, I have no commitment to them. I could be in them and I could be out of them like this. Do I have stocks that I hold for the long term? Yes, I do. But a lot of these stocks that are coming out right now, like CCIV, like all these other SPACs that come out, they're plays for you to make money, guys. And I want you guys to understand that, okay? Yes, if you guys are really like a company, then yes, invest some money into them and leave it there, okay? But don't be chasing these companies, and don't be getting mad after when you lose money like a day like today. You know what I did on a day like today where the stock fell about 30%? You want to know what I did? I bought more. That's what I did. I had the opportunity to increase my position and buy more. Why? Because I've bought and sold CCIV about 3 or 4 times. But that's just the way I do it. That's just the way I decide on taking profits in this company. Okay? When I see that everybody and their grandmas are on this stock, when I see the black pool, and I see calls and puts and everything coming in on CCIV, let me just tell you this much. Today we had institutions buying CCIV. We had a $270,000 order on a $65 strike call, okay? The spot was at $57.58. The stock fell from that price all the way down to $40. You think they're going to make their money back? I'll tell you something interesting too. We have a put that somebody put in nearly $500,000. $60 strike, put $400,000. Did they know something? Maybe they did. Guys, you guys have to be awake, and you guys have to take profits, and make sure you put your stop losses in order. Okay? Have that set. So that way, when you take a profit, you have an opportunity to rebuy that same stock and write it up again. There's always going to be opportunities, guys. Always. When you take a profit, it's a win. And a win is a win. A win is better than a loss. Anytime, any day. Don't think back and say, wow, if I would have only held it a little bit more, then I would have made more. Yeah, if you would have held it longer too, you could have lost more too. Just like today. So today when the stock fell, I was happy. I kept buying. Now I have about 800 shares of CCIV. I think it's going to be a great company long term. But I'm still going to sell some when it hits 60 bucks. I'm still going to sell some again. And then I'm going to get another opportunity. Any stock that goes up must come down, and any stock that goes down must go up again. That's just simple truth. I've seen it too many times. You hold, and then it keeps coming down, 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 down. So where was your win in that? Guys, on this channel, we kind of tell you everything straightforward, how to be on top of this, because we're playing on somebody else's field. And if you don't get your act together, and if you don't think that's going to happen to you, you're going to get taken down. Just like a lot of people lost a lot of money today. My account is down on CCIV. But it's okay, because I know that company will go back up. Okay? So I want you guys really not to be angry when situations like this happen. I want you guys to be prepared for situations like this. And you can easily prepare yourself by simply taking a profit. 10-15% gain, 1 day, 2 days, a week, that's good. Take some off the table. That way when situations like this happen, it doesn't wipe out all your gains and you still made money. Okay, guys? With that, guys, I'm not going to go too much deeper into this. I know that it was a situation where it happened at the end of the day. The way they timed it, the way everything happened, institutions were pretty much all closed down. The brokerages were already shut down. It was almost 3 o'clock. It happened at a weird time. But we have to be thinking ahead of them. And I was almost really close this morning to selling about 300 shares that I had left of CCIV. Just because I was thinking about it, and I said to myself, wow, if this were to take a dump, they're going to take a lot of money. And sure enough, it did, and they did swoop in on a lot of money. Those who took advantage are going to make money. And that's the way this game works, guys. With that, guys, I'm not going to talk too much. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Also, please ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.